Hello. So I'm going to show you the use of alias, use sending from an email address. So what we're gonna do first is check to see if this user can send from multiple using another email or an alias in this case. So we're gonna check that by going to new mail, sorry, and go from so to see if like they can send from different emails, and as you can see this is only this email address. So to enable using the alias, so sending from the alias, we're gonna go to settings on the right top corner, then we're gonna go to compose and reply. After that we're gonna go down, scroll down a little bit, and we're gonna be looking for address to send from. And as you can see here, we have a few options, but what we're looking for is this alias here. This has been set up already, so just have to check it. So we're gonna check that and save. And then we're gonna wait a little bit. We can refresh the page. I'm gonna wait a little bit and let it do its thing. So after that, I'm gonna go down to make sure that um, everything was checked. And as you can see here, the alias was checked, and we can close now since we saved it previously. Now let's go back to new mail to double check if the change has been applied. So from, and as you can see now there is two ways you can send from, which now you can send using this alias from using this alias. So yeah, that's how you can enable uh, an alias. Thank you.